It's after 2 and we're headed down, and we left a little after 1:30. Just kind of taking it easy so we don't get injured. And one little snow stretch ought to be interesting. Yeah. It's been really windy and therefore often cold. But it's been beautiful for yeah. We're about to hit that snow stretch, so that's going to be a little tricky. Whoa, shoot. These things are moving. Go, just go. Oh yeah, you're right. That's where we missed it. Oh well. Oh wait, no. I did go up that. I did go up that. Oop. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, one at a time. All right. If you slip and start sliding, flip on your stomach, dig in with your pole. Spread your legs out and dig in with your feet too. Oh. Well, that shortened my pole. That was bad. Ugh. Crap. I can't pull it out. There we go. Be careful about putting such heavy weight behind your heel, because it could just give and then you just go sliding. And these, I slipped on these branches, so be real careful. There you go. Watch out, there's a hole there. Yeah. And if you slide, I'll catch you. Oh, shoot. So Beth and I were just way up there, and I had seen a couple people down below us as we were hiking, and as I was hiking or whatever, I accidentally dislodged a sizable rock, and that rock was not stopping. So I yelled "heads up" as loud as I could, and then I finally did come up to the people, and they had heard me, and they had started looking. And they saw the rock coming, and it did stop before them, thankfully, so they weren't hurt or anything. But yeah, gotta watch those rocks. It's so hard not to dislodge them here. It's just so loose. I mean, I stepped on like a sizable rock, and it just started moving. So, but at least that one didn't go flying down the hill. But some of them do. I think we're going to be back before 5. I mean, it is 3:50. So, yeah, I mean, I can see the parking lot. Not that that means a lot. But once we get down this, it should be a fairly easy trail. So we'll be there soon. Well, we're about to exit. We've already passed the junction to the pass into the lakes, and it's been a good hike, good challenging hike, harder than I expected. I thought I'd see more trail, whoop, but no such luck. We didn't get to see the lakes, unfortunately, but we will be back. We do plan on making it, but yeah, it was a tough hike, a lot of elevation gain, very steep. Beth did pretty good. I mean, we're both tired, but it actually kind of reminded me at times of Taboose Pass and Sawtooth Pass. But yeah, it was definitely challenging. It was definitely challenging. And we got to, I want to say 10,900, right around there, maybe a little higher. And the lake that we were planning to go to was 11,600. But we'll get it another time. And at 4:40, we're out. How are you doing? How are you doing? Good? Look at you. You did one heck of a hike.
Yep.
Good job.
Yep. Are you videoing?
I am.
Well, it's a beautiful day.
Sure is.
Suggestion, next time you take some chocolate candies and, leave them as you go up.
So what'd you think of the hike?
It's a little rugged. It took some fun detours.
Yep.
Fun.
Thanks. Was it worth it?
Yeah, definitely. That the pond and the fish are so
Meadowy. Yeah, that was really cool. And they turned out to have beautiful weather.